Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to import table data from PDF to Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, navigate to Data tab, get data from File from PDF, and then select your PDF to import. Wait a while. Our PDF contains only one page, page 1, and we have one table, one page. Table 1 and page 1. We will select page 1 and then load. As you can see, our table data is imported to Microsoft Excel. Here you can customize. You can choose company 2 or company 3 as you prefer. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.